I was taking preparation for my exam. Then I thought I should share some information with you. I recently bought MacBook Pro M4 16GB RAM and 512 SSD. After buying this device, I set up for this of my workstation. First of all, I want to show you the difference between a 24-inch monitor and a 14-inch laptop. I hope the difference are clear. I connected them with my MacBook One hub, which is 1/11. And I am very happy to use this with my MacBook. I am getting very much a high speed output from here. And also I set up my charging option in 80% fixed. When the charge is goes to 80% upper, then it will be automatically discharged from my device. So I set up all the things with my own. If you want to see the full details review and the setup option after buying a new MacBook, please comment the comment section. I will reply and I will make a full details video on it. So follow and share this video.